your first question, yes, there were already good schools in Mysore, and we had to set up a differentiated school. But then from a curriculum standpoint, in India, even today, we do not have too much of a freedom. You have to go with a state board or a CBSE or a SSE. So we went for the CBSE board for obvious reasons, and then we started a process even before starting the design of a school. We wrote a story, which is story of life in a school going child. Now, there is a school going child. You chronicle what happens in the life of the school going kid for about a week or 2 weeks. It starts typically on a Monday morning, getting ready for the school, boarding the bus, commuting to the school, and then the assembly and getting into the various classroom activities of the school, and then some break periods for labs and maybe games, and then the circuit gets completed when they board the bus and commute back to home. And then it is time available, which I will come to it, which could have been used in several ways. So, we out of this we had to do 3 or 4 iterations of this script, and out of this we identified such spaces which were available for us to make the difference, or such soft spaces which were vulnerable for us to convert it into something more useful. So, that is how we started. Now, why did we want to do a differentiated school in the first instance when many schools, good schools already existed? It was about, we the founders, me and my father comes from an education community, I come from a tech background, and the intersection of these two was a good thing to do ExcelSoft. I said that in the ExcelSoft episode, and we thought we can bring the same strengths to the school as well, that we are pretty good at education domain and we are good at technology, and the experience of Excel public school would add a lot of rich value. The other very important thing is there was always a sense of wanting to do something for the community that we existed in. As ExcelSoft, we have grown from a garage to a campus, a big campus in Mysore, to multi-locational campuses and customers pretty much all over the world. But the place of origin is Mysore, and near abouts where ExcelSoft is, we wanted to make a school, build a design and make a school with a difference for the community in and around that area. So, that was the seed idea with which we decided to do Excel Public School.